Now let's talk about how to maximize the revenue that you get from your sponsors and advertisers. And most people will say, just charge the highest price you can. Duh, like why would you even have a lecture like this? Just charge more, charge as much as possible. And then run away and just be ha 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 ha, I made so much money. Okay, you can do that. And sometimes if it's a one-time transaction and you really don't see a relationship beyond that, maybe you don't go ha 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 ha, but you should charge a high rate up front. But there is a way to make more money than that often. I can't say there's no rule that applies all the time because it's such a unique situation and a unique scenario that it's a case-by-case scenario. But what you can and should always think about is how do you, instead of charging the highest price up front, provide the best value up front? Meaning the value that they get is more than the price. Like they actually get a deal from you. And you would think, why in the world? That's the dumbest. Like, why would I charge anything but the highest rate? Because if you work to please them, not just promote, but promote and then try to get that promotion to really grow and try to really get eyeballs and sales for them from your promotion. So not just like promote and run away and forget about it, but promote and put care and time and actually make sure that they get their money's worth. Then they'll see, we're getting our money's worth. We should do this again. Again. If you make them repeat advertisers with you, you're going to build that trust, foster that relationship, and it's going to expand from one platform to multiple platforms when you promote them, multiple projects that they hire you for, and you will just make more money with them over time because it's so hard to get a good sponsor. You can get a bad sponsor, you can get a cheap sponsor, but it's so hard to get a sponsor that's good, that's a match for what you do. If you get a good match sponsor and they pay reasonably well, you've got to show them that they need to promote with you time and time again. When I advertise, I may advertise in a bunch of places, and then I monitor where is it effective, and I only come back to where it's effective. The people where the advertisement or the websites where the advertisement wasn't effective, I never come back to them. They don't know that I just didn't choose to come back to them. They think maybe, well, they're done with their marketing, so it's done. No, it's done because it wasn't effective, but I keep going back to the ones where it was effective. My hope is to find a place where I can promote again and again and again regularly because I want that stability and reliable growth. That's what you have to be for your advertisers. When you show them that you're going to go the extra mile, do everything you can, promote them extra, give them this unexpected thing, and most importantly, the good traffic and sales they were after, they will come back to you and you will make more money. So put the time and care and effort to really making your clients happy, and you'll actually make way more than trying to charge the most for a single time engagement. You'll just get more engagement, and then an amazing thing happens. You'll have a successful case study where you'll say, I promoted this brand and I got them this amount of traffic and it grew to a big relationship, and now we have a brand deal worth like, let's say $20,000 a month, and they make $50,000 from that. Now, when you go and pitch other brands and you show them, this is what I can do, who doesn't want that? You're going to increase your sales conversion rate for your outreach and get more brand deals. And so even though it's super nice to get that initial high-paying client, it dwarfs in what you're going to earn compared to that incredible case where you get repeat advertisers and sponsors and get a case study from that, and from that case study attract other ones. That's how you really, really make money.